Before we start the vlog, just watch me randomly play with balls. Watch. Hello. Hello, good morning guys. It is I think 5:15 right now in the morning. I'm on my way for my first session for the day. Trying to find a cab right now and then go to car. Let's go. Perfect. 3, 7, lovely. Hello, let's go. First session for the day is done. Now we're on our way to beat Pooja at pickleball. Let's go. It's gonna be way too much fun because we both are very competitive. And we both don't like losing at all. For obvious reasons, she will know what losing feels like today. And we both get very competitive. And that's the best part about it. I'm getting these big pimples way. Looks like a mosquito bite, but it's a pimple. So I was at Joggers Park yesterday. And this small kid was there. Like this, maybe like 3 or 4 years old. With his granddad. And I was like, hi, how are you? And then baby was like, eh. I think वो बच्चे को है ना मच्छर काटा था. The granddad was like, uncle को भी मच्छर काटा है. And he pointed to my pimple. And I was like, uncle, वो मच्छर नहीं है, वो पिंपल है. The pimps is that big. So put a pimple patch right now. Is all the heat in the body. The chadti jawani. That's what it is. And Pooja is, as usual, late again. We'll gear up first and then we start. Let's go. Oh shit! Let's go. I've got 1 point to go. Watch my last point, guys. Warm up tha ye. Warm up it seems.
It is a warm up.
So now we switch sides. Otherwise Pooja will say कि नहीं तेरा बराबर side था. वो glare आ रहा है आँख में, ये आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है. Excuses नहीं चाहिए life में, bro. And how I win again, as I always do. I'm giving her a chance to redeem herself. We're doing best of 5. Best of 3 में I'll win 1 more game. मैं जीत गया. If we do best of 7, I'll win 2 more games. फिर मैं जीत गया. If we do best of 10, I'll win 4 more games. मैं जीत गया. If we do best of 12, I'll win 6 more games. मैं फिर भी जीत गया. If we do best of 15, I'll win like 4 more games. मैं फिर भी जीत गया. The entire goal, the entire concept is I'm still winning the entire game.
सांस ले, लंबा सांस ले और शांति.
I'm winning every point back to back and it just feels like I've been here before. The only thing is, when I lose a point, it's always going outside. When I win a point, it's always my power, my technique, my form. So yeah. We come back stronger. We fall back down. We get back up. We don't give up. We never give up. Let's go. It's the last match for today. Because time khatam ho raha hai. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
How do you feel being with the winner right now?
I feel great winning this last match.
Rubbish, ये कट होने वाला है. I'm gonna go and play ahead now. I'm going ahead, guys. ये एक ही शॉर्ट वीडियो में आने वाला है सिर्फ हमें. Golden point. Last point. जीत गए. जो भी ये we won. जो भी ये पॉइंट जीत रहा था वो जीत गया मैच. थैंक यू अमोल. नाइस प्लेइंग विद यू. जीत गए हम. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. Hello. So on my way for another session right now. As always, it's going to be a banging one. Let's go. The elbows. And then come back up. So no movement over here. No the shoulder. Yeah, no shoulder movement at all. Push back up. Nice one. Push back up and exhale. Hold. And rest it down slow. Hello. So on my way right now to Juhu. I'm in Bandra right now. I'm on my way to Juhu for a haircut. Okay? It's been, the last time I cut my hair was in November. I've been contemplating getting a haircut since the past 2 weeks. very generously people have helped me कि मतलब भाई यहाँ जा, यहाँ काट, यहाँ इतना लेंगे, यहाँ ऐसा करता है, मस्त काटेंगे वो लोग. कुछ किसी का सुना नहीं मैंने, अपनी ही एंड में करूँगा, जो मेरे मन में है वही करूँगा एंड में, as I always do. So now I'm going to Juhu for a haircut. I love my hair and all, but it's way too long right now and वो पसीना बहुत आता है, फिर बार ऐसा ऊपर करना पड़ता है, then it falls down over here and then I don't want all that. I think it's time for a change. I want to go back to my old hair now. I'm so excited. I actually wanted to do a mullet and मैं खुद को 2 हफ्ता दिया था कि आ रहे हो सोच के देख जरा कि mullet तेरे को असली में चाहिए कि नहीं. And if 2 weeks बाद you still feel कि तेरे को चाहिए तो करा ले. I don't feel like it anymore. Bro, my hair actually looks very good right now. I feel like बाल नहीं काटना चाहिए. I like it. कराओ क्या haircut कि नहीं कराऊँ? Let's go for a haircut. चल, let's go. Oh, it feels so much better. Hello, so I just got back home right now from the haircut and I have ordered a few things from Myntra and they're here. Nike please sponsor, आपके कपड़े बहुत महंगे हैं. But till they sponsor, I'll keep buying clothes. Ignore the mess in the background. I need to clean my room later, but बाद में करेंगे. Ooh, new clothes. But for now. Okay, so we go one by one and I want to keep my personal favorite thing for the last part, okay? It's a basic white Nike oversized t-shirt. Okay, I like this. I personally love oversized t-shirts, okay? And another one is a polo, like a collar wala thing. A polo oversized t-shirt. Let's go. I love that it's so big. That's what she said. Then we have this. The same thing I was wearing in red earlier. Same thing we have right now in black. Perfect fit. Nike, I make your clothes look so good. I deserve to be put on a billboard. मतलब एकदम बड़ा सा holding मेरा और ऐसा, ऐसा और ऐसा. You know how the Nike holdings are. Next, we have the shorts next, and I love the color. देख लो. Okay, we have 3 more things to go. Let's go. What do we honestly think about the fit? I don't really like it too much. This is the same thing as the black Nike t-shirt which you saw right now before this. Oh shit, lovely color. Love the fit, love the color. So Nike, I'm telling you, Nike, I make your clothes look very good. I deserve to be on a billboard. Now we go to the main item for today. Oversized orange, Jhatak orange. Perfect fit. That's all from my Nike haul. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you liked the video, and I hope it made your day a little bit better. That's always been the goal. It always will be the goal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment very good things नीचे. And the most important part, as always, don't forget to stay fit, stay healthy. You got this.